In 2022 to 23, over 61 million bus passenger journeys were taken in Wales. Prior to the pandemic, the figure was over 91 million. At the moment, when bus passengers numbers are low, either services have to be cut or more investment found to maintain services. And when I've questioned many government ministers on the plans to increase passenger numbers, I've always been told to wait for the bus bill. Well, here it is. It's finally arrived. But given concerns that have been raised regarding the level of investment required to fulfil the ambitions of their bill, ambitions that I wholeheartedly welcome, and the length of time it'll take for its full implementation, can I ask again, what efforts are being undertaken right now to increase passenger numbers across the bus network? I've spoken to many constituents across my region who don't have any other means of transport. They rely on buses every day. They have a wealth of knowledge and experience, and more often than not, they are the most keen to want to help build a better service. So you've said this bill will ensure local bus services are planned and coordinated in consultation with key partners, local government and industry. But can I ask exactly how bus users, those who don't have access to cards, not just the CJCs, not just the local authorities, are meaningfully involved in the design and delivery of this bill?
Well, the citizen's voice, you're absolutely right, will be at the heart of this. That's why we're ensuring that local authorities are at the heart of planning the networks and the timetables. So I'm very confident that with that local knowledge, with a system that is fully responsive to passengers, we will be able to drive up patronage, in so doing drive up the fare box, whilst also making sure that we have a fair fares regime. And in so doing, I would hope that future ministers will then choose to use that additional fare box revenue to increase the network.